What's up, everybody? Adam here with the 78 Bronco. Today we're digging into the rear tailgate and getting the glass out of it, pulling out the whole assembly, get that really good and greased, take a look at the motor that drives that, and see if we can bring it back to life, or if we have to end up ordering a new one potentially for it. So let's go ahead and get stuck in on this.
Small bulking.
For what?
This.
What do I need a hammer for?
Just tap the side of the motor once you put power to it.
We took it apart.
Oh dear Lord. Get a big hammer.
You need something to stick in there. Like a little baby flat blade screwdriver or something to stick in there. Actually, never mind.
Got it?
Yep.
There we go.
It's turning.
Yeah.
And if you reverse the polarity to it, it should go the other way. Yep.
Sweet.
Could be this connection. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Might try to get in there and clean it up, blow it out real good.
Yeah, I may not even have needed to take apart. I probably should have cleaned the connection first. So. Motherfucker. I probably should have fucking bolted the motor to this before I stuck this son of a bitch in here.
Well, why do stuff the easy way when you can do it the hard way?
Why do it once when we can do it fucking 3 times? Yeah. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Get the power on. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Woo!
Other way. Oh, you have a clear window again.
All right. All right, all right, all right. That's good. All right, so we should replace that before the motor goes in.
This sits up in right here, and then this comes down and snaps in. Might as well just replace it before we put it in.
Yeah, replace it before we go to in.
All right, should no longer be a 2-person switch.
All right, so let's go ahead and, if I can find it, there we go. Sweet. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Up and down again.
Yes. All right, let's bolt this together. We're still recording. Yes, we are. Battery is critically low. But guys, gals, check it out. Check it out. Woo. As always, guys, if you like the video, go ahead, hit that like button. Just wham, smash it, 2020 style. And if you did like the video, go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot more coming down the range. And if you do subscribe, if you do, go ahead and hit that notification bell right down there. That's gonna let you know every single time I post up a new video. As always, guys, I appreciate the hell out of you. You're awesome. Get out there, get your side hustle on, and work on those vehicles in your backyard. And we'll see you later.